The Market Lab, where the market speaks and we decode. Today we are going to discuss about multiple candlestick patterns. I tried to make this video short and simple. Let's start. Mastering candlestick patterns can give you a serious edge in trading. Let's break down the most powerful multiple candle patterns that signal major moves. Bullish engulfing pattern. This pattern appears at the bottom of a downtrend. A small red candle is followed by a large green candle that completely engulfs it. It signals strong buying pressure and a potential trend reversal. Bearish engulfing pattern. Opposite of the bullish version. A small green candle is followed by a big red one that engulfs it. Found at the top of uptrends, it suggests sellers are stepping in. Morning star. This is a 3-candle reversal pattern. First, a bearish candle. Second, a small indecision candle. Third, a strong bullish candle. It's a clear sign of momentum shifting to buyers. Evening star. Same structure, but in reverse. Often seen at market tops. A strong bullish candle, a small bodied candle, then a strong bearish candle. It indicates a downtrend. 3 white soldiers. 3 consecutive bullish candles, each closing higher. A strong bullish reversal signal, especially after a downtrend. 3 black crows. 3 bearish candles in a row, each opening within the previous body and closing lower. A strong bearish signal, especially after an uptrend. The ones we discussed are the major candlestick patterns for beginners. In the next video, we will look at charts and explore candlestick patterns and how they work.